how's it going YouTube? So this is the Hobao Hyper 9E. The other day I had brung it out in the back of my house and was doing some testing with it. The car was going straight. I brung it back in the house and did some more messing around with it and bring it back outside later on that night, and running the car was going perfectly straight, and I hit a block or like a sidewall, and I broke the right arm, which I didn't catch. So the other day I took it out to test. If y'all seen in the video, that right arm was broken. So I went ahead and put 2 new arms, and I had a screw in there like this side. I need a longer grub screw. I end up replacing it and putting a grub screw in that one and a screw on that side. But right now what we're gonna do is just see if the car's dialed in. It is on 6S. It's not a fully charged battery. I just want to see what the car does. I came out to the airport strip. Need to talk to the airport, see if we can throw events here. This is a nice strip right here. Nice and open. I think they're about to rebuild it back, so it would even be better back there if we out of the way. But let's see if this car's dialed in. Ever since I put the wheelie bar in there, the car has been going straight, but I haven't noticed ever since I broke the arm. So that's what we're gonna do right now. See what the car does and go from there. There's a lot of rocks out here, I noticed. See that rock? Just made me jump right there. Sorry about that, guys. Trying to get it right. It is a windy day. I do have the GPS, but I don't really want to see no speed run. I'm trying to really get the car dialed in. That's my main focus. My main focus. I might need a new, sorry about the wind, guys. I know y'all can barely hear me, but I think I might need a new steering servo. Every time I fix, the car starts to pull to one side, and I just fixed it. So if I go to launch off the line and the steering is not accurate, it's gonna go whichever way it's not centered. So I'm thinking that's my problem, and I'll be chasing myself the whole time out here, man. All it is the steering servo. It's a cheap one in there. Give it a couple tweaks, see if the car stays straight. Has a little pulling on it. Alright guys, see what she do. I know it's a lot of rocks in here, so it's causing me to jump all over the place. That was me. Let me turn my steering down. That was me trying to overcorrect. Be the littlest things that'll make you miss a race or lose a race. We gotta make sure everything is nice and cool. I know this battery is probably almost dead. That's cool. Nice little setup I put in here. I could put a big body on it, but my boy George told me to keep it with that. So for right now, this is the body that's gonna stay on there. Got the top off right now. I'm just trying to do some quick adjustments. Hi YouTube, I lost one of my front grub screws. So right now, the car's all out of whack, but I'm still running to see what she do. You know what's happening there? I'll give y'all another tip. So, because I lost my grub screw and my suspension is not how it's supposed to be, when the car gets to the wheelie bar starts to steer the car. That's why it's spun out just now. So, that's something I gotta fix and keep the wheelie bar off the ground. It's good in some cases to have the wheelie bar on the ground, but in my case right now, it's not. It is turned down right now, just to make some clean passes. Let's see if we can make another one of those. See, too much on the wheelie bar. Too much on the wheelie bar. Plus, if the wheelie bar hit any rock, it's gonna send it away. So. On the wheelie bar carrying. That's something I work on. One fly by and I'm gonna call the grab. Car is definitely on the wheelie bar. See that? That's wheelie bar you hear. Watch when I hit it, watch it go right to the wheelie. See? Right to the wheelie bar. Alright guys, I'm calling a rat fire overheat the system. We're gonna bring it back out. That's what I came out to test, but because I lost that grub screw, that's what happened. So the front of the car is raising up for it to hit the wheelie bar. Even right now, it's on the wheelie bar. See that? On it. Alright guys, thanks for tuning in. More to come.